Our next awardee for Outstanding Broadcaster, Attorney Leah Badillo Crisostomo. Host, Prime Times with Attorney Leah Badillo Crisostomo.
These Lady Justice Statuette and Certificate of Appreciation are given to our awardee in deep appreciation for the invaluable support and contribution made to the success of the Public Attorney's Office and the advancement of the interest of its clientele. Given on the occasion of the 8th MCLE Accredited National Convention of Public Attorneys.
Let's hear the message of our awardee, Attorney Leah Badillo Crisostomo.
Nasa starstruck po ako sa inyo lahat ngayon because I have never been in a venue where everybody is brilliant and inspiring. So let me just take a moment to relish it all in. Thank you so much, Chief Acosta, for this award. Thank you to the Public Attorney's Office for this award. Usually, I don't get nervous giving speeches. But as I said, this is the first time where all brilliant minds and inspiring spirits are all around me. And it's not bola-bola, everyone. Pañeros and pañeras, nakikita ko lang po kayo yung trabaho po ninyo sa Abogadong Pinoy, how you share your lives towards others, and it gives me more than inspiration po. It gives me hope that there are beautiful and kind souls around the country. And I think we should all give each other a round of applause kasi para po talaga tong event na to sa inyo. And you know, when I was having the interview with our Chief Presida Acosta in my show in Manila Times, ang tinanong ko po sa kanya, Chief, ano pong pinaka-importanteng aspeto sa trabaho po ninyo? Ang sabi niya, yung mga tao ko. Yung mga tao na natutulungan namin. Kasi without you guys, wala pong tutulong sa ating mga less fortunate, indigent, and vulnerable people. And again, hindi po lahat ng tao kaya pong ibigay yon. You guys should be proud of yourselves. Sobra-sobra pong honor to be standing in front of all of you and receiving this award. And I think this is just the start of Chief Acosta championing justice, you guys championing justice, and someday we might even see Chief Acosta in the Senate championing justice. We never know. And I really hope everybody takes care of themselves also kasi tumutulong po tayo lahat sa ating mga kababayan, but you must also take care of yourselves too. Kailangan po natin alagaan ang mga sarili natin, not only in the physical, mental, emotional, but also everything in between. So with that po, maraming salamat po sa award na to, Chief. And mabuhay po ang bagong Pilipinas, mabuhay ang PAO, mabuhay si Senator Acosta.
Maraming salamat, Compañera Leah Badillo Crisostomo.